Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Already I have learned that about the ore, how the metals are exist in the ore in the form of combined state. From the ore we want to extract the metal. So for that we are going to follow the several methods to extract the metal. One is concentration of ore. From the ore particle we want to extract the metal. One of the process is concentration of ore. And the next one is extraction of crude metal. Extraction of crude metal. And next one is refining of crude metals. Refining of crude metals. Today's class we are going to learn about the concentration of ore. So now in the concentration of ore, in this process the ore contain non-metallic impurities, rocky materials, and siliceous matter. The siliceous matter is nothing but the shining particle present in the sand. So the ore contain the non-metallic impurity, rocky material and the siliceous matter. These are combinedly called as gangue particle. So the ore is associated with non-metallic impurity, rocky material and the siliceous matter. These are collectively called as gangue. This gangue is called impurity. This gangue is called impurity. So the removal of impurity is called the concentration of ore. So the concentration of ore is the preliminary steps. The concentration of ore is a preliminary step in metallurgy. So the concentration of ore is the preliminary step in the metallurgy. In this step, the removal of impurity is called concentration process. Removal of impurity is called concentration process. So this is one of the preliminary step in the metallurgy. What is the preliminary test is the removal of impurities, that is called concentration process. Now we are going to learn about the various concentration process. So that depends on, there are different types of concentration process in metallurgy. That depends upon the types of ore. First one is the types of ore and next one is the nature of impurity, nature of impurities, and the third one is environmental factors. Based on these three, there are different concentration process we are going to follow in the metallurgy. Next, we are going to learn about one of the concentration process, that is gravity separation. The gravity separation. Now we are going to learn about one of the concentration process, gravity separation. In this gravity separation, the ore particle is considered as two different types of impurities. One is high specific gravity substance. High specific gravity substance and low specific gravity substance. So here in this method, the ore particle is considered as high specific gravity substance and low specific gravity substance, and this method is suitable for oxide ore as well as the element present in native state. So for these two types of metal, we can follow the gravity separation. In this, the ore particle is considered as high specific gravity substance and low specific gravity substance. The high specific gravity substance means, while compared with the mass, the high specific gravity substance have higher mass than the low specific gravity substance. So here we are going to crush the ore, and here what we are going to do, that we are going to wash the ore in a sloped platform. We are going to wash the ore in a sloped platform with the current of water. Now we are going to pass a rapidly current of water. In this, the crushed ore is going to be fall on the rapidly current of water. The low specific gravity substance are washed away by the water, and the high specific gravity substance, that is the ore particles, are settled in the platform itself. So here in this gravity separation method, the ore which are considered as the heaviest ore, the heaviest ore is suitable for in this metal. So now see this, the lighter ore particle, lighter gangue particles are washed away, and the heaviest ore particles are settled in the platform itself. In this way, we are going to separate the ore from the impurities. This method is suitable for oxide ore, and the metal exists in native state. The oxide ore, hematite ore, Fe2O3, magnetite, ore, Fe3O4, and tin stone, SN O2, and then this one is gold. The gold is exists in native state, while the gold in the mining also we are going to get in the form of metallic state. So the gravity separation is suitable for oxide ore, and the type of oxide ore is hematite Fe2O3 and magnetite Fe3O4 and tinstone SnO3O2. So this otherwise we called as hydraulic wash, because this ore particle contain two different types of impure substance, that is high specific gravity substance and low specific gravity substance. These low specific gravity substance are washed away by the water, and the high specific gravity substance are remains in the flow. So the low specific gravity is otherwise, this is called the gangue particle. In this way we are going to concentrate the ore. Children, now next concentration process is froth flotation process. This method is suitable for sulfide ore. This method is suitable for sulfide ore. Already we learned that about the gravity separation. The gravity separation is suitable for oxide ore. The oxide ores are considered as the heaviest ore, and now this method, the froth flotation method, is suitable for sulfide ore. For example, galena, the sulfide ore of lead, and zinc blende. Zinc blende is the sulfide ore of zinc. So this method is suitable for sulfide ore. Example, galena, the ore of lead, and zinc blende, the ore of sulfide. So in this method we are going to moist the ore with oil. Moist the ore with oil. From this we are going to separate the ore particle from the gangue particle. Ore particle from the gangue particle. First we are going to moist the ore with oil. From this we are going to separate the ore particle from the gangue particle, and in this process now we are going to have a small opening at the bottom and the small opening at the top of the container, and this container is going to be fixed with a stirrer, and this stirrer is going to be fixed with blade to mix the content in the ore, and this is going to be fixed with a mortar, and the stirrer is supplied by air. Now this one is going to be filled with water. The container is going to be filled with water. So this one is called feeder. Through this we are going to feed the ore particles, and this one is going to be outlet way. From this we are going to remove the impurities at the bottom of the container. In here the container is going to be filled with water. Now the crushed ore, the crushed powdered ore plus frothing agent. The frothing agent, which one is the frothing agent? The pine oil. The pine oil is act as a frothing agent, and then sodium ethyl xanthate. Sodium ethyl xanthate is called collector. So this mixture, now the crushed ore, crushed powder ore plus the frothing agent, which one is act as a frothing agent? Pine oil, and the collector, the sodium ethyl xanthate. This mixture is going to be feed through the feeder, and the ore particles are going to be suspended on the water. The ore particles are suspended on water. And what is the function of the collector? The collectors are stick into the ore particle. The collectors are stick into the ore particle. Already the ore is moist with oil, so it is water repellent. The ore particles are before itself, the ore particles are moist with oil, so that the ores are water repellent, and the collector will attach to the ore particle. So what is the function of frothing agent? Air plus oil and water, this make froth, or it create the bubbles, the foam, that foam will rises on the surface of the container. Now if you switch on the motor, if the stirrer will mix the content very well. So by mixing the air, oil and water, they combine to form the froth. In this froth, the ore particles are stick into that froth, and the collector will collect the ore particle, and while stirring the foams are rises. The foam rises on the top of the container. The foam rises on the top of the container. By this we are going to skim off the foam in a separate container. By this way we are going to remove the concentrated ore. And the remove impurities. What about the impurities? The impurities are the gangue particles. The gangue particles are considered here as the heaviest one, and these gangue particles are settled at the bottom of the container that can be collected through the outlet pipe. By this we are going to separate the concentrated ore, and in this process, and some of the sulfide ore as an impurity. Now for example, now we are going to concentrate the ore as zinc blende. Galena, and in this the zinc blende is present as an impurity. So we want to remove the other sulfide ore as impurity. This impurity can be removed by an agent called depressing agent. Depressing agent. Which one is act as a depressing agent? Sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide is act as a depressing agent. What is the function of the depressing agent? This depressing agent is going to be react with depressing agent react with the impurity. Here the zinc sulfide ore is present as an impurity to form a complex. And this complex can be form the separate layer. Now in here you see that here the ore particle and this complex can form a separate layer below the concentrated ore. So now what is the function of the depressing agent? The depressing agent form a complex compound with the other sulfide impurity. By this way we are going to remove the impurity present in this. So what is the chemical reaction in this? Depressing agent sodium cyanide react with the impurity zinc sulfide to form sodium zinc sulfide complex. Sodium zinc sulfide complex. This is an impurity. And now you want to balance. Here the cyanide is 4 and sodium 2. So this side only 1. If you put 4 here, 4 cyanide and 4 sodium. So if you put here, see now this become sodium cyanide 8 plus 2 into 2 4 cyanide, and the cyanide become this one. The sodium cyanide plus zinc sulfide to form sodium zinc cyanide complex. This cyanide complex is formed as a separate layer. By this we are going to concentrate the sulfide ore. So the sulfide ore is suitable for the sulfide ore. The Froth flotation process is suitable for sulfide ore. Example galena, zinc blende, these are all the sulfide ore. In this process first we are going to moist with the oil. By this we are going to separate the ore particle and the gangue particle. And next, how to remove this? We are going to construct the container with the stirrer to mix the content. Into the stirrer we are going to mix the crushed powder ore plus frothing agent. Here the pine oil is frothing agent and the collector sodium ethyl xanthate. These are collectively feed through the feeder in the container, and the oil, water and air, while we are supplying through air in the stirrer. This makes the fourth. All the ore particles collected by the collector and stick into the fourth, and they are raising up. By this we are going to collect the concentrated ore. In this case, the other impurities such as the zinc blende, now we are going to purify lead sulfide ore. In that, the zinc blende is present as an impurity. To remove this impurity, we are going to remove the concentrated ore. So here we are going to make the depressing agent to form a complex called sodium zinc sulfide. So here 2 plus sulfur, elemental sulfur is going to be escaped. So these are all about the concentration process of Froth flotation.